Hello, welcome to my channel. We have solved past paper, paper 1 and it is May, June 2025. We have solved almost all of the questions you can see in my previous videos. So right now I am going to do this last question number 11. This one. Okay, so we are given two statements. The function f is defined by this expression. Okay, and you can see there is an unknown a over here, right? Okay, this is one thing. The second information we don't need right now. So let's continue to part A. And we have this function as given. And it is given that the range of this function is above minus 33. Find the possible values of A. Okay. So when we look at this function, f of x equals x squared plus 4ax and plus a. So you can see that this is a parabola which is opening up, right? So it is something like opening up. Okay, this is x, this is y. Okay, so from this information that the range of this function is above minus 33. So I can say that the lowest point of this function, this is minus 33. Okay, so the range of the, you see, domain of this function is all real numbers, but the range is above minus 33. Okay, so the function is something like this. Okay, from this information, we have to find the value of a. Okay, so what I would like to do, I would like to find the lowest point of this curve, right? So this is the curve. How can I find the lowest point? The stationary point, you can find it if I put the derivative equal to 0. So let's differentiate this function. And this is going to be 2x plus 4a, right? Okay, so if I put this thing equal to 0, it gives me uh, 2x equals minus 4a and x is equal to, if divided by 2, it will be minus 2a, right? So as when x is minus 2a, that is the lowest point, okay? So the x coordinate of this point is minus 2a, okay? So if I substitute x equal to minus 2a in this expression, I will get the value of y, right? So what is f of minus 2a? This is equal to x square to minus 2a and square and plus 4a and x is minus 2a and plus a. So this would be the numerator square is going to be 4a square and minus 8 and again a square and plus a. So this is going to be 4 minus 8 is minus 4a square and plus a. And this thing is equal to minus 33, right? So the value of the function at the at the lowest point, it is this one. So if I bring everything to the right, it is going to be 4a squared minus a minus 33 equal to 0. Okay. So from this equation, we can solve this equation and find the value of a. This is already equation. So a is equal to minus b, so this is plus 1 plus minus under root b squared minus 4. A is 4 and C is negative 33, right? Divided by 2A. So this need to be 8. Okay, when we solve this, when we simplify this thing, it gives us two values. One is 3 and the other one is negative 2.7875. Okay, so these are the two possible values of A which will give us this range. Okay, I hope it's clear. Now let's move on to the second part of this problem. It says now we have to see the other statement about the g function. Uh, Given instead that f g g 0 is 96, find the value of a. Okay, first of all, let me do something over here. What is this inverse function? Let me change the color just to differentiate this one. Okay, so Yes, we are given that G inverse X is equal to the cubic root of 2x minus 4, right? So this is an inverse function. Okay, so first of all, I would like to know the actual function, right? So this function is y equal the cubic root of 2x minus 4. In order to find the inverse function, I replace x and y. This is going to be x equal to the cubic root 2y minus 4. And I will solve this expression for the value of y. So if I will go side by third power, so this is going to be x power 3 equals 2y minus 4. So 2y is equal to x cubed plus 4 and y is equal to x cubed plus 4 divided by 2. So this is the actual signal, the actual function. So that means that g of x must be equal to x cubed plus 4 over 2. Okay, so this is the actual function and this is its inverse function. Okay, now let me move on to the next x cubed plus 4 by 2. Okay, so here we have g of x equals x cubed plus 4 by 2, right? And f of x is given as x squared plus 4ax, 4ax plus a. Okay, so these are the two functions we have. Now, what's the meaning of fgg0? fgg0 means that g of 0, it will give me some value. So I will, okay, let's write over here. This is same as g of 0, and then you apply on this value the function g again, and then on this value you apply the function f again. Okay, and this whole thing is equal to 96. Okay, so from this information we need to find the value of a. Okay, this is not correct. Okay, so I will do it step by step, which means that first I will try to find the 0. Okay, so from here you can see g of 0 is 4 over 2, so this is going to be 0 plus 4 over 2, so this is going to be 2, right? Now what is g of 0? It is g of, now g of 0 is 2, right? So what is g of 2? It is 2 power 3 plus 4 by 2. So this is 8, 12, 6. Makes sense? Now what is f of g of g of 0? So this is going to be f of 6. Makes sense? So what is f of 6? Now look at this function. It is going to be 6 square plus 4a into 6 and plus a. Okay, so if I simplify, this is 36 and plus 24a plus a. So this is same as 24 plus 1, 25a plus 36, right? And this all is given as 96. Okay? This is equal to 96. Okay, so from here you can see that a is equal to 96 minus 36 divided by 25. Okay, so this will come out to be 12 over 5. Okay, so this was the question part B, and what is this? Okay, this is the initial page. Okay, so that's it. That's the end of this exam. Okay, thank you very much for watching. If these videos are helpful, then please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.